We just installed the 2020 to 2022 Lexus RX Hamilton conversion kit for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We're going to show you how to get the unit set up and configured the first time for audio and how to pair Apple CarPlay here. A little bit about this system. It's touchscreen and you can use the touchpad. Everything will work like factory. It even looks like the factory system. And as you swipe left and right, you'll feel those pulses just like the factory touchpad did. The touchpad and touchscreen both fully work to interact with the unit. Long holding for 3 seconds the menu button on the front of the touchpad will take you back to your factory system. You can see this car had that factory 8-inch display. It's all right here. In order for the Hamilton system to play audio, we're going to be playing audio through the aux channel. So on the factory system, you want to come here to audio and then make sure it's set to aux. You can also toggle through your audio modes by pressing the mode button on the steering wheel. The Lexus has a variety of audio modes: AM, FM, satellite, factory Bluetooth, and aux. Our system is going to play audio in that aux mode. Coming back to the new side here to pair Apple CarPlay, we're going to go to Settings, Phone Connection Settings. You're going to enable wireless connectivity. You won't have to do this every time, only the first time. Now pull out your iPhone, open Settings, and in the Bluetooth menu, locate your new B&R device. Click the name. Do not change this name either on your iPhone or on the car. When the pairing code comes up, click Pair. Sometimes you'll get a prompt that will say Allow favorites and apps. If you get that prompt, say Allow. When you get a prompt to connect to CarPlay, click Connect. Once it is connected, CarPlay will automatically open and appear. If CarPlay does not automatically open, you can open it manually by clicking the CP link button.